Here busy. Guys, we're not on lockdown no more. See there, we free everybody out. Why it's so hard?
Heavy?
No, sir. Brissy, why you took up the last pigtail? This is what a pigtail look like here.
You got
Can't do no better. Have to buy it.
Tired of the wasting. She just want my love. Say she tired of the waiting. Over and out. Girl, you need a soldier to show you the route. Pull you in close, areola to mount. My love, no corona, Ebola could out. Whenever you're alone and you're unoccupied, and you're feeling hot inside, hit me up on my line. One time.
Hey guys, hi. Y'all know what time it is. Today's Saturday, and you know if we going, see Kayla got her bags. So y'all know this means that we going where? Where we going, Kayla? Shopping. Well, Kayla's being dropped off. Kayla's not joining the party today. How cute my baby girl look today. Wow. She always just gets like this when I'm showing off her hair. You know, she don't like the attention on her at all.
I just don't like you being baby.
I'm not baby, but you are my baby. Are you not my baby?
Yeah, but I'm not a small baby.
People, what's the matter with her? She is my baby.
I'm not a small
Shakayla, where did I park?
baby.
Oh, there. Y'all, I never know where I leave my car at night. That's so bad. So yes, people, I'm going shopping. This is for my... One second, let me get in my car. I'm going to do my monthly shopping. I'm also gonna give Melissa a ride to the grocery store, and Vanessa is also going to the grocery store, so it's a link up. It's a grocery store link up today. I'm supposed to go by this Jamaican food store as well, see if I can get some pigtails and stuff like that, because I haven't had pigtails in a long time. I've been seeing a lot of people cooking up. I don't know what he gets. I know he coming everything around here. You don't know he's social distancing. I forgot my mask. I don't have my mask. And people like out here, look at them, don't even care. They're just walking upon you. So I'm here trying to get some Jamaican stuff. There's a lot of Jamaicans out here, guys. Yeah, out here look a little busy though. All you're seeing is like people just watch there. How much people out here? They don't. It's not tall out here. Busy. Y'all see that? Watch there. Too many folks. Yeah, check. Cause a lot of folks out here. I don't understand. I feel like lockdown. I feel like lockdown done. Guys, we're not on lockdown no more. See there, we free everybody out. It's crazy. Melissa says she's looking up the statistics to see if we got a lot of cases out here, because a lot of people out here, I mean, it's really busy, and most of them are Jamaicans, guys, from the Caribbean, because out here just to sell Caribbean things that Caribbean folks love to eat. I would say chicken foot, pigtail. So all these folks that are lined up right now from the Caribbean. Yes, guys. Come on the road now. I'm not in the road. Good golly, calm down. You want me to be up in your face?
Come here. Just come here.
Yeah, but are you close and he keep walking back and forth?
But how much people pass you there?
I know, that's why I clearing the way. She want me to stand up there.
I want you to stand up for the people and wait.
But Melissa, they could go around there and walk to you now. These people don't understand social distancing.
They would just walk past and pop in your
girlfriend. You stupid guy. We're inside. Where's the Kool-Aid? Get me 2 sweet milk there.
8 to 9.
Give me some, eh? Yeah. Guys, look what I have Kool-Aid. I haven't had Kool-Aid in years. Oh my god. Let me get me one. What's this one? That's another question. That's the question.
I'm going to put 6 something. I'm finding damn Kool-Aid.
Let me find out. Excuse me. How much is the Kool-Aid?
$3.99.
$3.99? Okay. Yeah, I'll get one. Why they don't have the price on these? How much is a Vienna?
Oh, I said them don't have the price.
Horlicks. I grew up on Horlicks.
I just give me a low.
Kayla never had Horlicks though. Let me see how much for this expensive Milo. Oh, These tins, why the tin them bend up so? Then you get no Milo, $3.99. Sorry, yeah. Sorry.
और वो यहीं पे होगा तो अंदर से
अंदर नहीं इधर से अभी देख के दूर बाकी बाद में
Guys, I'm so glad I ended up in this store. Getting all my Jamaican stuff is hard dough bread. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Melissa. They have giant hard dough bread. You know giant? Oh my gosh. I like a kid in a candy store. This excites me so much. Guys, look what excites me. They got bulla. What the shit? What bulla I gonna get? I like the bulla with ginger. Oh my days. Guys, there's bulla. They have bulla. Oh, it does have the national sliced bread meal. See it here? Why it's so hard?
Heavy?
No, sir. Don't even buy the peas in the bag no more. I don't have time for that.
I'm gonna go soak that overnight.
Soaking it in all sorts.
Why do you say cocoa bread?
I thought it was cocoa bread, but it's not. What about this? Look, some bread here. What is this? Whoa.
What should a cocoa bread name corn bread?
What the hell of a size of an Easter bun to rotted for $7.99.
How come you buy
National. I don't want that big old. Let us buy this one. I am so excited. Melissa, what the heck is cow peas? What's cow peas? I supposed to know. Yeah, what's cow peas? Is this a Jamaican thing that I don't know about? Because I don't know what cow peas is. Sorry if I'm supposed to know what cow peas is, but I don't know. They don't have ackee. Wagwan. I have Jamaica cheese, you know. They got grita cake here. These look dry though. Guys, I find coconut drops, but them look dry. And grita cake as well. And peanut drops. Gizzardo. This is what looks dry. Guys, I love coconut drops. This shop is like heaven right now. See Kayla like a Jamaican snack, Bigfoot. What a Jamaican snack I could get Kayla to try. Vitamal! Will you get Vitamal? Excuse me, did I miss nothing? Like, which one you get that from?
You can pick up your picture already too?
Yeah.
Where? Show me.
How much you pick it?
Guys, literally this shop is like heaven. There's Vitamal. Pigtail. Brissy, where the pigtail at? Oh my days. Suppligen? No, I need to move into this shop. Guys, there is Suppligen. Melissa, there's Suppligen, girl. Which Vitamal to get? Cause this saying Vitamal ginger, Vitamal.
I have no pineapple or mango.
Huh?
This is original.
For true?
Yeah, a few minutes to king.
Which one you get?
This one original.
Mango.
This is original.
Yeah.
Nessa, give me a pigtail now.
The picture over there.
How much for the gin? How much for this?
A $4.99. That one you say more? $4.99.
Oh my god. No, Brissy, where the pigtail? Oh my, let me show them the pigtail. This is what a pigtail look like here.
You got that's how they preserve
I
it.
know, but I don't like it. This is Brissy, why you took up the last pigtail? Shit. What is the no, I know it's not, but it says it is.
This is salt beef.
I know, but it said fish. That's why I was like, fish. Okay, I'm gonna get piece of that and piece of this. Guys, look the beef. Can't do no better. Have to buy it. Is that red? Is that herring?
I already a herring I need, but this small.
Look, herring. You don't want herring? Herring.
Chiffon butter.
You lie. How much for? How much for it?
Yeah, we got cover your outfit.
Bombaras. No. Look here. Look, the stick butter. No, so I'm getting this just because.
Oh my
Stick butter. I getting this just because.
Sorry, it's long time when you see Jamaican
I miss
stuff.
Jamaica, you know. Oh my
Are
God.
you Jamaican?
Yes.
Okay, where in Jamaica are you from?
Old Harbor.
Oh, I'm from Australia.
Ah.
From Australia.
We meet another Jamaican in the
Yeah.
store. I just don't know how to do the herring again though. It's been years. I don't know.
With like onion and stuff and eat it with crackers, isn't it?
Shakela, I don't like bami. You know, I had never like it. Mm-mm. I don't like bami. No. Let me get 2 eggnog. Peanut punch. Peanut punch. Eggnog. Y'all see me? Two. It's a 3 for $2.79. Guys, I'm sorry. I just been going wild in this store because it's been so long since I've seen Jamaican products. Things I actually grew up on. I didn't know this existed. It's a half an hour from me. This is it. I want to see if I could find another snack. This would be cool for Kayla to try some Jamaican snacks that she never had. But I can't think of anything else.
The chips, banana chips.
Guys, later, this is my little basket down there full up with my little Jamaican things and I'm gonna hurry up and cash now because I only paid for 1 hour at the for the parking, and I up now, so I have to hurry up and pay for these things and rush to the car. Yes, so later, guys. So exciting to see these coconuts here. This would be so nice to make up my rice and peas. But I'm thinking, where would I go and bust up this coconut? Like, there's no way for me to go outside. I used to go outside in my yard on the little pavement and bust that up, you know, and ox it out. But I don't have that, y'all. I'm in a flat upstairs, so I just have to stick to the tin coconut milk for now. Sadly. Yeah, pak choy and everything. Lord have mercy, guys. Struggling here. May I struggle? Can you believe I just spent £70 in that shop, and the next Jamaican lady come up to me and she said, try check them teeth no BBC. That's why them get locked down with there. Check everything. And I'm like, I said, I hope y'all robbing me in here. Hear him to me. Check. I say yes, so I could just stand up here and just check a long receipt after you unpack up everything in the bag. Wow. Oh. So yes, I'm at the car. I had to walk away.
Take the bag from thing.
Which bag? My bag?
Yeah. She took it from me earlier.
Sugar. So that's that good.
Bag.
Oh, sir. I need to get one of them pulleys for myself. You need help to lift it? But why he looking over here like a gunman in that mask?
But not only that, he telling me something like I do something wrong.
Huh? Can we... So the guy she here squeezing up to get the thing in the boot, the trunk. The man over there said, why you just don't drive the car forward?
He just embarrassed me.
You know you don't have no common sense.
Oh God.
Oh my gosh.
We so love to struggle in life. We don't know the easy way out. My
We didn't even
gosh.
think to like drive up the car for real.
We're retarded.
Oh my gosh.
This is a little piece of hand sanitizer that you got in here?
No, darling, I got some in here. This from Bath and Body Works. Here, that done. Take some of this.
They're walking. Don't
Oh,
worry.
okay. Yes, guys. So now we have to still go to Astor.
Jesus, space.
Look at Mel hairstyle
Spend
though.
more money again.
My girl dress up, do her
Yes.
hair and everything just to come in the shop. And she
learned.
tell me, girl, no, we're not putting on no makeup today.
No. Vanessa said that.
Oh,
to
was it you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. I'll let her off. So let's get out of here before the parking. Oh, wrong way.
Oh shit.
Oh my
Same
gosh.
thing about common sense.
Let me just go through here. Driving the wrong way.
Oh sugars, you could stop.
What to do?
I leave the stuff in the car, in the back of the car that I wanted to eat. But
Oh,
we're
go
on our
ahead,
way
quick.
down.
Oh, me too. I wanted a sugar grater cake.
We done?
honest, I got to queue up right behind each other. I missed it. See how long that is? So we're going round and around and around just to go over there. But I started from way back there to queue up. It's crazy, y'all. It's real out here. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm almost inside. You see how long this queue is? This is a long process. And you know, it wasn't this bad the last time I came, but I'm almost inside anyways.